We are receiving unverified early reports of ground shaking possibly caused by seismic activity in or near Concepcion, Chiriquí, Panama on the 4th of March 2024 GMT, at approximately 3:50 Greenwich Mean Time. There are no details yet on the magnitude or depth of this possible quake. If confirmed, we can expect more accurate data to emerge in the next few minutes. The location, magnitude and time mentioned are indicative based on our best fit seismic model. They are temporary until our AllQuakes monitoring service receives more exact scientific data from a national or international seismological agency. Check back here shortly and stay safe.